वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ESL इंस्टीट्यूट बलरामपुर। मैं हूं शरद श्रीवास्तव और आज आपके सामने हम फिर से इस सेशन में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करते हैं। हम आज के इस सेशन में बात करेंगे किसी भी रैंडम टॉपिक पे हम कैसे किसी भी रैंडम टॉपिक पे बात करें। और हमने पिछले कई वीडियोस 2 से 3 वीडियोस में हम ये जान चुके हैं कि कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स में हम कैसे अपनी क्रिएटिविटी के साथ बात करते हैं। बेसिकली हमारा जो ये सेशन है, ये सीरीज़ है, वो हमारी फ्लुएंसी को कवर अप करता है, हमारी फ्लुएंसी को ज़बरदस्त बूस्ट देता है। क्योंकि रैंडम टॉपिक्स पे बोलते समय हमें ग्रामर पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देना होता है और दैट विल डेफिनेटली मेंटेन एंड बिल्ड अप आवर कॉन्फिडेंस। तो सबसे मेन मुद्दा होता है किसी भी लैंग्वेज को बोलने का कॉन्फिडेंस। अगर आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस है तो आप लैंग्वेज को जल्दी से सीख सकते हैं और उस पर वर्क करके जल्दी से बोल सकते हैं। तो आज हम एक नया टॉपिक लेंगे, रैंडम टॉपिक, एंड दैट इज़ द मिरर। मैं आपको 1 से 2 एग्जाम्पल देने का प्रयास करूंगा और बाकी आपकी क्रिएटिविटी पे डिपेंड करता है। एक सिंपल और एक ऐसा एग्जाम्पल जो आपको और बूस्ट देगा क्रिएटिविटी को सोचने में। तो सबसे पहले हम लेते हैं मिरर, और पहले मैं डिस्क्राइब करके एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ। वीडियो के लास्ट तक बने रहिए ताकि आपको सारी वीडियो के लास्ट तक बने रहिए ताकि आपको बेहतर तरीके से चीज़ों को समझने का मौका मिले। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। So yesterday I got up early in the morning, and usually I just get up late in the morning at 7 o'clock, but yesterday I got up at 5 o'clock in the morning, and when I just peeked into that window, I peeped into that window. I saw that it was dark outside, the street lights were on, and when I just checked my mobile, and it was showing the time 5 o'clock in the morning. So I thought that it is very early, but I don't know how I got up early in the morning, but I felt like just getting up from my bed. So I got up from my bed, and I felt like just checking out my face into the mirror. So there is a work cupboard in my room, and just beside the cupboard there is a mirror. So I just looked in myself into that mirror, and as I just touched that mirror, light flashed. Suddenly a bright light flashed into the mirror, and as it flashed, I just got lost into that mirror. I was just feeling like that I am watching a movie instead of looking into myself. It was not showing my face. Instead of my face, I was just checking out that a movie is just going on. A movie was going on. I was just feeling that a movie is going on, and I am watching the movie, not myself into that mirror. I was watching that my future is going on, and on the upper right corner of that mirror, of that clip which was going on like a movie, it was showing the time and date, and everything was going on. I saw that the next day it was showing the date of 27th of November, and as I went into my office, my boss just called me, and he gave me a good news and surprise also. And it was my promotion, and I also got the salary hike, and moreover I got the bonus and gratuity amount. So everything was going on. I was so much happy, and then suddenly something just felt, a noise came that something just fell down on the ground, and as I heard that noise, I just came into my senses, and everything, I just came into the reality. So from that day I just got to know that this mirror is a magical mirror, and I can just see my future in this mirror. Whenever I want to see what is going to happen the next, I can just touch this mirror, and I can just see everything which is going to happen to my future. तो ये तो था पहला एग्जाम्पल। हम अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को और भी अच्छा कर सकते हैं। इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू कि कैसे आप उस रैंडम ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में क्या थॉट्स रखते हैं। जितना आप एक रैंडम ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में कोशिश करेंगे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बोलने का, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी को उतने ही पंख लगेंगे और उतने तरीके से आप बात कर सकते हैं। एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल और लेते हैं थोड़ा ईजी वे में, ताकि आप भी कोशिश करिए। स्टार्ट करते हैं एग्जाम्पल 2। Yesterday I went to my friend's home, and we were just preparing, and we were getting ready for going into the party. It was a wedding party, my friend's wedding party. So I just went to his home, and we planned that we will go together in that party. So he was just getting ready. He was just wearing all the he was wearing the dresses, and he was just doing his hair in front of the mirror. So I also felt like checking out myself into the mirror, that if I was just looking good or not. So as he went into the bathroom, and I just went in front of the mirror and tried to check myself into that mirror. And as I touched that mirror, I did not know what happened. I just started just thinking, and that what is going on. I just came in the new world, and that mirror, instead of showing my face, that mirror was showing my fears, the fears that I have got. I have got a fear of speaking English. So it was showing my fears, all the properly the fears that I have got. The first fear is speaking English. The second one is communicating with others. So the mirror was showing everything. Everything means my fears, and not only fears. It also showed me the solution of that fear. So he gave me some solution, that if I, and everything was just it was just like a AI. So it was showing the answers of that question in the question and answer form. I was reading all about all that, my fears, and about the solution. And it gave me the solution that if I could practice properly on the daily basis for few minutes, then my English can improve. So I started from that day. I was just checking out all the things, and suddenly my friend came, and then I just came into my senses, and I just found myself in the reality. So from that day, I got to know about that mirror, that yes, this is the mirror. Anyone can see his face into that mirror, and he can find out about his fears and also the solution. And then from that day I started working on my fears, and my biggest fear was the speaking English, because I was so I had so much problem in speaking English. So from that day I started working on my English, and day by day every single day I started and practiced about the English. I recorded myself many times. I committed some mistakes, many mistakes, but gradually I started just working on it, and today now I can speak English in front of anyone. I can just answer anyone's question if somebody is speaking English. So you can also just make yourself as confident as you want, and by practicing with me also. तो ये था दूसरा एग्जाम्पल. ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स तो बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आपकी फ्लुएंसी पे असर ना आए, आपकी फ्लुएंसी बढ़ती जाए, बजाय हमें ग्रामर में नहीं फंसना है. और मैंने पहले ही इस वीडियो में बताया कि हम इस सीरीज़ में अपने फ्लुएंसी पे फोकस करने का प्रयास करेंगे, सो दैट वी कैन जस्ट इंक्रीज आवर फ्लुएंसी मच मोर, और कॉन्फिडेंस हमारा बिल्डअप होगा स्टेप बाय स्टेप. तो आशा करता हूँ you got many things from this video. You also get encouraged and motivated for speaking English, because सीखने के लिए तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. All over internet you can get tons of videos and all for learning. पर learning हम खाली पढ़कर, देखकर, सुनकर करते हैं, पर मेन मुद्दा होता है कॉन्फिडेंस का. किसी भी लैंग्वेज को बिना कॉन्फिडेंस के बोले जाने में बड़ी कठिनाई होती है. तो पहले हमें कॉन्फिडेंस गेन करना होता है, उसके बाद हम चीज़ों को धीरे धीरे सीखते हैं. तो ऐसे ही बहुत सारे वीडियोस को और बहुत सारे टिप्स के लिए हमें फॉलो करते रहिए. प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, एंड प्लीज़ आल्सो hit the like button and share to your friends, so that they can also get encouraged. And if you want to have some conversation in English, you can also comment in the comment section, so we can just have a virtual conversation sessions on daily basis or weekly twice. We can just take 2 sessions every week with you guys, and virtually. If you say, please comment below, so I can just set up a meeting and we can have a virtual conversation. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, see you and have a nice day.